Okay, so little introduction to our new bike covers, which came about because we've got big storage area and the sales bit next door, which you've probably seen. In the winter we get a bit of condensation over there, which drives us nuts because you get the condensation on the bikes. We sort of put in cloths and towels and all the rest of it, and we've gone like, no, let's get something decent. So what we've now got, and they are for sale to everybody, is a stretch thermal, certainly fleece lined, which stops all that problem. We also use them in the workshop because it can get a bit grubby when we've got customers' bikes if they've been painted, so we can put that on, although we have got the new extract, and it just saves all that issue of dust and bits and pieces. So they're ever so easy to put on because they've got the small logo on the front. And because I always struggled with other covers, because you're always thinking, oh, which way round does it go? Oh, I don't know if it goes this way, I don't know if it goes that way. This obviously is a CBR 600 sports bike, but because they're stretchy, they'll go on bikes with, which you'll see on some of the photos, with sissy bars, everything else. Job done for the winter. Keeps them nice and cosy. Nice cool new logo. Off you go. They're on the website. Rachel will tell you how much they are. I always forget. And just so you can see, that's Jake's. That's a medium. Medium I've just put on that 600. That's Jake's R6 under there. These two bikes are basically the same. Big 300 rears, long forks, big front wheels. This is a medium, which obviously being stretchy will pull over. This is a large, which will be going back to the customer with the bike once all the chroming's done. And he can have, he'll just have the large one. I've got a bit sticking out there, giggity. We can take that out. Yeah, so they're a good little thing. I think they're under 60 quid. Will be, as I say, on the website. Go and have a look. Put yourself down for one.